Hi, in today's video I'm going to talk about the difference between trip, journey, voyage and excursion. A trip is when you travel somewhere, stay there, usually for a short time, and come back again. You can go on a business trip, school trip, fishing trip, shopping trip, day trip, boat trip, bus trip, sightseeing trip, and so on. You can either take a trip or go on a trip. Let's have a look at some examples.
Listen and repeat. How was your trip to Berlin? I took a boat trip around the island. Fancy going on a shopping trip to Paris?
A journey is the process of traveling from one place to another. A journey is just about getting from point A to point B, especially in a vehicle. So you wouldn't necessarily go on a journey on foot, but you can go by car, by plane, by train, by bus, by boat, and so on. You can either make a journey or go on a journey.
Listen and repeat. Have a safe journey. The train journey took 5 hours. Last year I made the journey to Budapest. Would you like to go on a long journey with me?
A voyage is a journey, so it's getting from one place to another, but it's a long journey, especially by ship or into space. The verb we use with voyage is make. We make a voyage.
Listen and repeat. Titanic was 4 days into her maiden voyage to New York when she sank. Apollo 11's voyage to the moon in 1969 inspired my brother to become an astronaut. Two ships made a long voyage across the ocean.
An excursion is a short trip, a short visit to an interesting place. It's often a part of a holiday. The verb that we use with excursion is go on. We go on an excursion.
Listen and repeat. We went on a little excursion to Central Park. Our excursion to the zoo was a great experience. I'd like to go on an excursion to Pompeii.
If you'd like to learn more travel-related vocabulary, you can watch this video. I'll include a link in the description. And now, let's move on to the exercise.
Choose the correct word.
Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!